Welcome to this video on getting started with Rugby Manager, the card game. By the end of this video, you'll be able to play your first round, and then it's on to world dominance for you. Rugby Manager is a strategy card game where you compete to build the best rugby team. It's fit for 2 to 5 players, and a round should take 10 minutes to complete. We will cover 6 main topics. What's the goal of this bloody game? How do I set it up? What to do on my turn? How do I build my team? How do I get paid the big bucks? And what admin can I do to succeed? Let's start with number 1, the goal. How do I kick ass and win the game? Now let's get one concept into your head. It's called sets. A set is a group of player and staff cards of the same color, usually 2, 3 or 4 cards depending on the position. The game is won by the first manager to play 3 full sets of player and staff cards onto their pitch. Next, let's look at number 2, the setup. Let's learn how to deal and get your first players onto the pitch. To set up, shuffle the deck, but don't forget to remove the getting started cards, and then you deal 5 cards to each manager. The rest form the pickup pile. Managers take turns clockwise until the winner plays 3 full sets. Your playing area is organized into 4 areas: the pickup pile for drawing cards, your hand, your pitch for active players and the bucks you've banked, and the discard pile for played admin cards. The card flow starts with the pickup pile where you pick up 2 cards that go into your hand. From there, you play cards to your pitch or admin cards to the discard pile. Remember to check out the cards in your hand before playing them. When they are out there on the pitch, your opponents can swap, steal or charge you, so be careful. Moving on to number 3. What do you do during your turn? 3 is the magic number in Rugby Manager. You need 3 full sets to win. You get 3 plays every turn, and most player and staff sets require 3 cards. When it's your turn, pick up 2 cards from the pickup pile. You can have up to 3 plays every turn, but it's okay if you don't want to use them all. You can even choose to play no cards. At the end of your turn, you must have 7 or fewer cards in your hand. Now, when we talk about a play, it's simply putting a card down. This can mean deploying player and staff cards to your pitch, depositing bucks into your bank, or playing admin cards into the discard pile. Now let's look at how you build your team. Player and staff cards are crucial. You win by collecting 3 sets, and you can charge other managers for cards on your pitch using payday cards. When you run out of bucks, you'll have to use player and staff cards to pay your debts. It's also important to know you can't buy players. You either pick them up or steal and swap them. Most player and staff sets require 3 cards, but some need only 2 or 4. The specific number is marked on every card. Cards of the same color form a set. A second number is displayed next to the card requirements. This shows how much you can collect from other managers by playing a payday card, but we'll get to that now. If you are missing player and staff cards, you can use utility players or a medical joker. Medical jokers can replace any card in a set, and utility players can fill in for 2 sets, but only 1 at a time. Your sets might look like this now, but that's okay. During your turn, you can move player and staff cards around on your pitch freely. You can rearrange them to maximize your payday earnings or to secure a win. This does not count as a play. Let's check out one of the most crucial topics: finances. Banking your bucks is important because it allows you to pay debts to other managers. If you have no bucks, you must pay with player and staff cards from your pitch. When paying an opponent, you must only use cards from your pitch. Use your bucks first, then your player and staff cards. Remember, no changes given, ever. Here's a beautiful thing to note. You can earn bucks with your player and staff cards. If you use a payday card, you charge all opponents. If you have a player and staff card on your pitch, you may play a matching payday card. All opponents must then pay you the amount indicated on the card based on the number of cards of that color on your pitch. If you don't have bucks, you can pay opponents with player and staff cards from your pitch. These cards are then placed directly onto your opponent's pitch. The card's value in bucks is shown on the card. If you have no bucks and no player and staff cards on your pitch, you don't have to pay anything. There are no IOUs in this game. Let's now check out how to get your admin done. Admin cards help you get things done, from swapping and stealing players to declining opponents. These cards are essential for running your game effectively. Need bucks? You can bank admin cards to use as bucks. Once they're bucks, then you can't change them back, so don't use your base cards. You can swap and steal players and staff cards using intercept, substitute, and bomb squad cards. Some admin cards allow you to charge other managers. Always read each card carefully to fully understand its function. A bus's full card is a flippin' useful thing. It lets you block an opponent's admin card. Since this is played in response to their action, it is not a play. Now that we have covered the basics, let's review how you win and make your opponents look silly. The game continues until a manager successfully deploys 3 full sets of player and staff cards onto their pitch. If someone wins, another manager may play an extra time card. This allows them to draw 2 additional cards and take 1 final turn to try and win, overriding the original win if successful. Good luck, you beautiful Blixums.